Qaaf. This is a heavy and a lengthy letter. Qaaf. Qaaf is pronounced from the back of the tongue, touching the soft palate. Qaaf. Qaaf. Then Qaaf. This is a heavy and this is a tiny letter. Qaaf. Qaaf is pronounced from the back of the tongue, slightly lower than Qaaf. Slightly lower than Qaaf. Qaaf and Qaaf. 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 Then Lam. Lam is pronounced by touching the tip and sides of the tongue to the upper gums. Lam. Lam. Touching the tip and sides of the tongue to the upper gums. Lam. The sides of the tongue also, not just the tip of the tongue. The sides of the tongue and the tip of the tongue touching the upper gums. Lam. Then Mim. Mim. Mim is pronounced by closing both lips. The nasal sound comes from the nose. Then Noon. Noon. Noon is pronounced by touching the tip of the tongue to the upper gums. Noon. The nasal sound comes from the nose. Noon is Wow. Wow is pronounced by rounding the lips as a mud letter. Mud letter means lengthening letter. It comes from the empty mouth space. Wow. Try to make round your lips. Wow. Then Ha. Ha. Ha is pronounced from the lower part of the throat. Ha is pronounced from the lower part of the throat. Lower part of the throat mean which is near to the chest. Ha. 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 Then Hamza. Hamza. Hamza is also same like Ha, pronounced from the lower part of the throat, which is near to the chest. Hamza. Then Ya. Ya. Ya is pronounced from the middle of the tongue as a mud letter. It comes from the empty mouth space. Ya. Ya. These both are Ya. Ya. These both are same letters, but just a change is in writing. Otherwise, the recitation or the articulation point of these two letters are same. Ya. Ya. Take your time. Correct pronunciation is more important than speed. I have taught you the hurufe mufradat, which was our lesson number 1. In the next video, we will be learn the same articulation letters. So for today, this is enough. May Allah make our recitation clear and beautiful. Ameen.